The multi-cylinder machining process ensures perfect tolerances. Here the bores are flushed with coolant as the cutting completes. Using a high-speed 5-axis CNC mill, the tiny cutting bit carves the complex curved blades of the supercharger from aerospace aluminum.
Utilizing a calibrated electric torque wrench, the technician ensures every bolt meets the precise specifications required for the supercharged hyperbike.
The manufacturing process begins with aircraft-grade aluminum. A robotic arm guides the billet into
The cooled aluminum crankcase is precisely clamped within the 5-axis CNC machine, ready for the next stage of manufacturing.
Utilizing a specialized face milling cutter, the aluminum crankcase surface is smoothed to a flawless, mirror-like finish. Scene 11. The forged crankshaft. Mounted on the grinder, the bearing journals are smoothed to a mirror finish.
The engine block is placed on the coordinate measuring machine. Laser probes measure the cylinder walls to micron tolerances. Utilizing the piston ring compressor tool, the forged aluminum pistons are precisely installed into the Ninja H2 cylinders. Setting the valve clearance requires absolute precision with the feeler gauge before the timing chain can be aligned perfectly with the camshaft sprockets.
Using a high-speed 5-axis CNC mill, the tiny cutting bit carves the complex curved blades of the supercharger from aerospace aluminum. To withstand the immense speeds, each blade is polished by hand until it achieves this flawless, mirror-like surface.
The boost leak test is crucial. We pressurize the intake, and as you can see, the soap solution
The calibrated digital torque wrench ensures the precise fit of the titanium bolts, securing the supercharged engine to the unique trellis frame.
The rear wheel is carefully aligned into the swing arm. The technician uses a pneumatic ratchet to secure the axle nut. The electric control unit is installed under the seat tray, connecting the diagnostic cable. Meticulously routing the copper wiring, the technician secures the harness, connecting the main electrical system to the frame. The diagnostic check is complete. The supercharged engine is now ready for its first ignition sequence.
The dynamometer applies resistance, measuring the exact stopping force. The data confirms the brakes meet our stringent standards. In the inspection tunnel, the emerald paintwork is scrutinized for any micro scratches before moving to the polishing stage.
Achieving this level of reflection requires hours of careful, rhythmic hand polishing to ensure a flawless mirror finish.
The front wheel stabilization is crucial. Using a precision torque wrench, the technician secures the hyperbike to the metal shipping stand on the wooden pallet.
Hold it steady right there. Secured. Moving to the rear panel now.
The journey begins. From the factory floor to the open road, the supercharged Ninja H2 is a masterpiece of engineering.
Scene 83. The arrival at the dealership marks the final stage of the journey for the Kawasaki Ninja H2 supercharged hyperbike.